Mac Chassis here today, and today I'm in the forest. It's actually pretty nice and sunny. So if you're watching this, I suggest you go outside. It's nice and sexy outside, but you choose to stay inside, that's your choice. Just saying, it's nice and sexy. Look at this. Look at this sexy forest, man. I'm also joined today with my buddy. You may have seen him, and I've talked about him a little. Wisdom Nar, man. Check out his channel. Tell him I sent you. Tell him Big Mac Chassis says hi, or sent you. Anyways. He's here somewhere. There he is, right there. Wisdom Nar. It's pretty cool. Anyways. Friday, May 22nd, I will be uploading my podcast with my friend Brennis, so be sure to check that out. It will be uploaded at 12 a.m. So, we'll be talking about the coronavirus and what our takes on it, and we want feedbacks. It'll be pretty cool. So, signing out. Peace. Take care.